Hey true believers, Woody here with Woodrome Illustrations. Today I am hijacking the Comictopia channel to show you guys a quick tutorial on making a diorama piece. So this piece is circular on purpose. My idea here is that this is a multi-tiered piece that Chris could put on his action figure spinner. 3 tiers, and they're held together with magnets. Painting over the magnets does not stop them from sticking together. I hope you guys like this. I'm going to turn the show back over to Chris and he will end out. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you. Bye-bye.